Hi, this is Paul from Dr.Fone, and have you ever lost any of your contacts or data by mistake? Fortunately for you, we have discovered 3 different ways in how you can recover your lost contacts or data in this video. Before getting started, please hit that subscribe button and that notification bell, and then we'll dive straight in. If you've backed up your contact information in advance, then you will have no worries. But what if you didn't do that? Then don't worry about that either, because we have a solution for you with Dr.Fone data recovery. And the first method is using Dr.Fone. First of all, you must know that there is no data recovery tool out there that can actually recover files from an iPhone 5 or later. If you want to selectively recover contents from your iPhone, then you can do that by following these steps. After you install and launch Dr.Fone iOS Recover, then just plug your phone into your computer via the USB cable. The main menu in front of you then will have a few modules that you can select, so just go ahead and select Recover. At this point, the software will go ahead and read your iOS device, but remember at this point as well, just to be a little bit patient because this can take some time. But once it has read your iOS device, this window will appear. Then just go ahead and click on that Start Scan button. Dr.Fone will then go ahead and scan your iOS device for any data that can be recovered. However, if you find you're missing contact information before the scan actually completes, then don't worry about that. You can pause that and you can move on to the next part of the process. You will now see all content, both stored and deleted, displayed on the screen. The menu on that left-hand side of the screen will list out all of your data that is like videos and photos. And then the white numbers in the brackets will actually show you how many have been recovered. To display just the deleted items, all you need to do is click that on button that says Show Deleted Items Only. And now the final step is to select everything that you want to restore and click that tick box in the top right-hand corner. Finally, once the process is complete, just select Recover to Computer. There you go, you then have all of that lost data due to the iOS 13 update recovered. The second option is if you want to recover your lost data with an iOS backup, which can be done directly through Dr.Fone. The process with iTunes is also quite simple to follow, and you can do this all through iTunes as well without having to actually use a third-party piece of software. The only downfall of using iTunes is that you can't select the data that you want to restore. You'd have to do the complete full restore. Step 1 is the same as always. Launch Dr.Fone, then select the Recover module, and then make sure your phone is plugged into the computer via the USB cable. In the next screen, just select that iOS Recover Data option, then select the iOS device on the screen, and then click Start Scan. You need to select Recover iTunes Backup. That is available on the left side of that interface, and then once you have that, just click Start Scan. Dr.Fone will scan that iTunes backup to scan for all the information. At this point, again, just be patient. Dr.Fone will take a little bit of time just to extract all that information from the iTunes backup. Once the entire data is then extracted, you can then pick the exact type of data that you want to back up. Then once you have gone through and picked all of that data that you want to recover, all you have to do is click that Recover button. A third option for recovering all your data as well is using that iCloud backup. This is a really good way to recover all of that contact information, and all you need for this is your iPhone and a good Wi-Fi connection. To begin, take your iPhone and then go to Settings, General, Reset, and erase all settings. Here you will enter your password and then move on to delete all the content and settings on your iOS device. A quick note here is if you don't want to lose any of your data, just make sure you have made a backup beforehand. Now, go to Apps&Data and click Restore from iCloud Backup. After you've done this, you'll then be taken to the iCloud page where all you need to do is put in your Apple ID and your password. Once you've signed in, then just click on Choose Backup and you'll see a list of your backups here, and you just need to select the one that you want. And that's it. Once you've then clicked Restore, the restore process will start immediately. The iCloud backup might be perfect for some iOS users, but it's not perfect for everyone. That's because part of this process to restore some of that old data is to actually wipe all the data on your current iOS device. That's obviously really inconvenient for people that just want to do selected bits of restore, and by using Dr.Fone you can do that. And then that other downside of using the iCloud backup is that you need to have a Wi-Fi connection. So if you had a problem with your phone and you wanted to restore it but didn't have Wi-Fi, then you couldn't use that iTunes backup option. And then finally, each iCloud backup is limited to what it can actually back up because each user is limited to only 5 GB free of iCloud storage. If you're in any doubt though, I think Dr.Fone is the way to go. Thanks for watching, so let me know in the comments below what method do you prefer. Remember, subscribe to the channel, hit that notifications bell, leave a like as well, and then we will see you on the next video.